Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday of September 21st, 2021. Over the last week, the Chinese real estate developer Evergrande made headline with referring to as another Lehman Brothers event. Even though its investors and financials, they are mostly in China. However, Evergrande is one of the largest real estate development companies in China, and its potential default on loans worth roughly about $300 billion is large enough to cause the risk to the rest of Chinese economy. So on Monday, the U.S. equity experienced a worst day since May 2021, as the S&P 500 were down more than 1.7%. They dropped over 125 points. Meanwhile, the Dow and the Nasdaq were down around 1.78% and 2.1% respectively. The sell-up extended to small cap as well as the Russell 2000. They closed more than, they go down more than 2.4%. While the day losses were not particularly large relative to the volatility we saw earlier than this year, but it was the third consecutive red day for the S&P 500, which finished Monday session about almost 5% up of its all-time high. So if you look at the chart, and the S&P 500, they couldn't hold to the 50-day moving average, so they dropped below it and continue to push back out. So right now they are right at the level of support. So let's see how are they going to look like. So tomorrow, the people they're waiting for the FOMC meeting, they will provide clue for the interest rate, inflation, and bond tapering for the rest of the year 2021. So that may cause some volatility. So, but I don't expect any major change. The fact that they still continue to support the stock market. So in the short term, the market will still choppy around, but the long term it still remain bullish. So on Sunday, I said that if the market is pulled back down on Monday and Tuesday, so it doesn't matter what the Fed is going to do tomorrow, we have a chance to rebound back up. So we start seeing something very similar to last September here. So right now we are at the support. So tomorrow, hopefully we're looking for some rebound, and then we will go from there. Okay, so now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, and then we can go from there. So first of all, look at the S&P 500. So right now we pull back down, we found a support. So but it oversold, it in the oversold area right now. So technically we're looking for some kind of rebound here. And the NQ, it also dropped it down, but they found a support right now. So potentially they have to pull back up. The Dow, it also slammed it down, so they found a support at this level here. So they also oversold area, so they're looking for rebound also. If you look at the Russell 2000, it still ran bound between the buy zone and the sell zone here. So if they can pull it back up, they put it back down, they found a support. So roughly they were looking for to buy it back up also. If you look at the crude oil, they push it back up, they hit right into the sell zone, they pull back down, they right at support, so now they try to pull back up, but to retest this area here. But the overall trend is to try to put it back up right now at this moment. If you look at gold, it's still sideways choppy, so they couldn't go higher, they pull back down, they found a support, now they pull back up, but overall trend is still sideways bearish. Okay, so if you look at the Bitcoin, after they run up, they pull back, they found a support at the buy zone right now, so they also looking for a rebound shortly here too. The Ethereum is all very similar. They run up, they hit to the sell zone, now they pull back, so they found a support, they're looking for a rebound right now also. Okay, so if you look at the all the S&P 500 sector, and you can see that the XLY, that the consumer discretionary, they also fell up on Monday. So Tuesday they put back. So right now, let's see if they'll be able to get back and claim the uptrend or not. But some stock are still doing well. Like wood, but still try to clear the resistance there. ETSY, they also hold up very strong. Even the market went down last couple of days. Look at the XLK, which is the technology stock. They are even though they fall up here, but they still hold up here. Seems like the buyer is still hanging there. So now we're looking for the rebound back to reset this level. So we'll see how they lay out. But a lot of stock in this sector, look at the FANG stock. Let's see how they're doing. So Apple, they also dropped the last couple of days, but they also get into the support area here. And Amazon, they hit the resistance, they pull back now. Now they found a support. Facebook, it also have a support level there. Google, it also found a support there. Microsoft also found a support, and Netflix. Okay, so it also try to hang on to this level here. So let's see, are they be able to looking for some kind of rebound, or they will continue to push it back down. Okay, look at the Tesla, it also still hang tight to the upside, even though the market dropped a couple of days, but they are still in the uptrend. So if you look at the semiconductor is still doing, they dropped the last couple of days, but they also found a support. Now we're looking for the rebound back again. So a lot of stock in this sector still hold time, like Applied Material. Okay, they pull back down, they found a support, they hang in there. So TXN, okay, so they also, a lot of buyers, they try to step back in every time they pull back here. So it means that they are still very strong. KLAC is another one. They fall up the cliff here, but they are still maintain the strong level of support here. NVDA, this one here, they are also found a support here. So let's see, market will be able to rebound with all the most of the stock they found a support. They will help the market lift up again. One sector that we have been see that they have been coming down heavily, that's the industrial. Okay, so they wait for the government to final the bill, and that one that look like they finally be able to find a support here. So a lot of stock in this sector that you should watch out, like FedEx. Okay, they almost get to the support area there. UPS, that's another one. Okay, they are right at the level of support here. And Catibella, that's another heavy equipment there. They also fall up the cliff here. It looks like they're oversold right now, so they only looking for opportunity to buy back up. So we'll see in this week or next week. Those stocks should be turned around. Okay, and in terms of financial sector, it's still choppy around here. So they dropped on Monday and Tuesday, so a little bit risky in financial. But some of the stock in the financial sector is still doing well. It's like American Express here. If they can clear about the 50-day moving average, and then they have a chance to push it back up. BAC, Bank America, in the short term, they have some problem here. But let's see if they'll be able to bounce it back up. Okay, and ALLY, that's another Ali Financial. They still hold up pretty strong here. They can clear this resistance. They will continue to the upside also. And if you look at the XLV, which is the healthcare, they drop up here, but then they pull back today. So some of the stock in this sector is still doing well, and then they have been, especially J&J, like Johnson Johnson, they drop out, they found a support, now they try to back up. In the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound here, but mRNA, this stock is pretty strong here. They still hang tight to the upside. That is the vaccine look like they still have some momentum to the upside. And GILD, which is another one that they get stuck here at the resistance. If they can clear that area here, they have more potential to go higher. ALXO, that's another one that's still pretty strong here. They try to build a big base here. If they can clear up this base here, they will continue to push it back up. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick the stock every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck on your trading. We'll see you during the week. Yet watch out for the FOMC announcement tomorrow. Take care, everyone.